Look at that. This is very important for you guys and for you, Georgia. There was a road where we went to the T junction. We stopped. We're turning right.
It was that van.
So when
Yeah.
so you did the right thing. You tried to go around it, no problem.
I didn't.
Now there was a grey car was coming. Did
Yeah,
you
I saw you
notice
look.
that?
I thought, oh, I saw you gone. I was like, oh. And I knew there were traffic lights there as well.
That car was because slightly far back, not close enough.
Yeah.
I'm giving you benefit. If that car would have been slightly more
It
closer,
would have been safe.
would have been serious or danger though.
Yeah.
So you got to anticipate. Okay, I'm going now. Look at that. This is very important for you guys and for you, Georgia. Think about the common sense there. So the traffic is stopped at the temporary traffic lights.
Yeah, so something.
So that means yes.
I did think that.
That what
yeah.
is your thought
Yeah,
process
yeah.
should be.
Yeah.
That okay, they're not coming. That means somebody might be coming
Yeah.
from the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You just get away with that. I'm giving you minor for that. Okay.